Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to make a recipe that I clipped off of the back of a box many years ago. It was on Zatarain's Dirty Rice box, and it's Dirty Rice Tacos. I thought I would make this recipe because everybody loves this, and I hope you do too. If you like tacos and if you like dirty rice, you'll love this recipe. I love New Orleans type food. So anytime that I can make this, I always make the tacos with dirty rice. The ingredients that you will need are 1 box of Old El Paso stand and stuffed shells, 1 package of mild cheddar cheese, or you can use any cheese of your choice or whatever you have in your fridge, 1 box of Zatarain's dirty rice, 1 tomato, 1 head of lettuce, or if you have leaf lettuce you can use that, or romaine, whichever lettuce that you like. For our hamburger, we're using ground round, but you can use any hamburger of your choice, or you can even pair this with sausage, turkey, chicken for a lighter version of this. But this is very economical and very budget friendly. Now, to make the dirty rice, the Zatarain's dirty rice, follow the instructions on the back of the box. Now I've got my hamburger, my ground round, in the pan right here. I did not add no salt or pepper into this because dirty rice is spicy enough. So to add the salt and pepper, it would be too much. So I'm going to fry this up right now. As you can see, I've got my dirty rice mixture right here. I've got my 2.5 cups of water in here and also 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to put this onto medium-low heat right here and let it cook while the meat is cooking. Okay, my meat is done. My lighting's a little bit different in here. Sorry for that. The clouds are passing, so we got storms coming on in. So anyways, but the meat is done. I'm going to add it into the dirty rice mixture right now. See how I've got the dirty rice mixture? I pre-cooked that. Now I'm just going to add the meat in. You don't need a lot of meat. You can use, whatever you've got in your pantry, your refrigerator, I'm sorry, and just stir it on up and let it simmer. Yep, just let it simmer, stir it up, let it simmer. Now see how the rice is cooking? This is on simmer. I want to say that Zatarain's has the perfect blend of spices. You really don't need no garlic because it already has it in there, onion powder, everything. So you don't need to put any spices in this because it has the perfect blend of spices already in it. Now what I've done is I've chopped up our tomato, I've shredded our lettuce, and I also shredded some cheese, the cheddar cheese that I showed you earlier. Now I do have our taco shells right there. Now you can put these in the oven for for just a couple of minutes at like 250, 275 just to get the shell hot enough. And if you don't want to, you can use the microwave to heat them on up, whichever one is more convenient for you. Now if you don't like shells at all, you can use a soft taco shell. Soft tortilla is what I'm trying to say. You can use a soft tortilla. And those, you just heat up into the microwave for less than 10 seconds. If you prefer that, to use that instead of the hard taco shells. But the original recipe called for the hard taco shells, the crunchy ones. Alright everybody, here are our Zatarain's dirty rice tacos that I clipped off of the back of a box many years ago. I want to thank you for watching this fast little video, and I want to thank all my subscribers out there that have supported our channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Again, thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope all of you enjoy this recipe. Bye-bye.